Hello friends. We have already learned how to create various images using Midjourney. Today, I will show you how to create videos using our images. Videos effectively convey information through a combination of visual and audio elements, visual appeal, use of illustrative examples, and evoking emotional reactions from viewers. Therefore, knowing how to create videos is essential for us. Watch an excerpt from a video that I created literally in 2 hours using artificial intelligence.
Everything is ready, my friends. Let's get to work. Today, my friends, we are making history. Get down on the floor. This is a robbery.
Today, with the availability of artificial intelligence, video creation has become accessible to anyone with a computer, internet access, and the desire to do it. For our work, we will be using several free AI-based resources.
ChatGPT, Gravitywrite, Midjourney, Runway, 11 Labs, Lalamu, Pixabay, Clipchamp.
Well, my friends, let's get started with learning and working. The first step in creating a video is writing the script. In other words, it's a plan or text that describes the sequence of events, dialogues, actions, and visual elements that should be included in the video. This is necessary to convey a specific message or idea to the viewer. To create the script, we turn to ChatGPT. Can you create a script for the video trailer? I asked ChatGPT. Of course, when writing a script for a video trailer, it's important to capture the attention of viewers quickly, establish the setting, introduce the characters, and hint at the plot without giving too much away. Here's a sample script for a movie trailer. This script assumes a generic movie plot about a heist in a futuristic city. ChatGPT provides me with a sample script for the video. I give ChatGPT the idea for the plot of my video. Here's the response I received. Thus, with the help of ChatGPT, I create a draft script for my video. Once the script draft is created, we'll move on to the Gravitywrite service page. We register using Gmail. In the left sidebar menu, I find the movie trailer script option. In this input field, I need to specify the genre of the film for which I want to create a trailer. I enter action. In the second field, I enter the desired duration of the trailer. I enter 1 minute. In the Add Your One-Line Story field, I enter a brief description of the plot. For this, I return to ChatGPT and copy the brief script created there. I paste it into the Add Your One-Line Story field. I click the Create Content button. Please note, Gravitywrite has changed the design of the main page. However, all other operations remain the same. The next step in creating the video will be the process of generating images. For this, I turn to the online AI-based resource Midjourney to generate images according to my text descriptions. I have a separate video on how to register and create images in Midjourney. The link is in the description of this video. To create the text description, I return again to the Gravitywrite service page. First, I copy the script created by Gravitywrite. Next, again in the left sidebar menu, I find the AI image generation option. I fill in the necessary fields. Action. Realistic. In the third field, I paste the copied text. I click the Create Content button. As you can see, a list of prompts has appeared in the right column, using which I will create the necessary images in Midjourney. I copy the prompt and move to Midjourney. I call Imagine and paste the copied text into the prompt field. I click the Enter button. Here's what the bank looks like that our robbers want to rob. I save the created image. To avoid confusion with the images in the future, I will give them sequential names. This will be the first image. We move on and copy the second prompt. Again, the same procedure. Imagine. Paste. Enter. Save and name it too. This procedure needs to be done with each prompt. Thanks to Midjourney, we created these images. Now that you have mastered writing the script and creating images, we can move forward. It's time to transform the created images into animation. For this, we will be using the HyperAI service. To animate the images, I choose Animate Your Image. Next, I click the Upload Image button and select the required image. The uploaded image appears right here. Before creating the animation, you need to specify the duration of the animation. I choose 4 seconds and click the Create button. The process of creating the image animation has begun. Here is the result obtained in a few seconds. I upload the finished video scene. I give it the sequential number 01. The same process needs to be performed with all images. As a result, I ended up with 50 animated images, from which I will be creating the final video trailer. In my video, there is a shot of a firing effect. To create such an effect, we will be using the Runway service. I click the Text/Image to Video button. I select the required image. Here it is. For image animation, Runway has a motion brush feature. Using it, I can color any object or any part of the image with different brushes, and then by moving the corresponding sliders, set the direction of movement for the colored area. At the moment, with the first brush, I color the flame of the shot and use the slider to indicate the horizontal motion of the flame to the right. I click the Generate 4 seconds button. The firing effect has been achieved. I save the resulting video frame. My dear friends, we have already created video shots for our video trailer. Now we need to add some details. For certain scenes, I plan to add voice speech from the character's perspective to give them an additional dimension. For example, in one fragment my hero says the phrase, "Today, my friends, we are making history."
Today, my friends, we are making history.
How to do this? The 11 Labs service for creating synthesized speech will help us. We can register with it through Google. The program has two modes, simple and advanced. I prefer to use advanced as it gives full access to all features. In the bottom left corner, you can listen to and select the desired voice actor's voice.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose. In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I've been turning over in my mind ever since.
There is a wide selection. I will choose Brian's voice. I insert the text. Today, my friends, we are making history. I click Generate Speech.
Today, my friends, we are making history.
Brian read too fast, so I will add a 1-second pause.
Today, my friends, we are making history.
Now it's better. I save it. I name the audio file 001 Brian. Next, we need to apply the lip sync technique or lip synchronization. With this, our hero will synchronize lip movements and facial expressions with the pre-recorded audio track, creating the illusion that he is speaking live. For this, I go to Runway and select lip sync video. I upload the prepared audio file. Then I upload the prepared video clip with the hero. I click Generate. In a few seconds, I get the finished video effect with lip synchronization to the voice text.
Today, my friends, we are making history.
I save this video for further use. Friends, at this stage we have several separate video clips created using Midjourney and Runway. Now we need to combine them into one complete video. Dear friends, since the video is turning out to be quite lengthy, I've decided to split it into 2 parts. Let's take a short break and rest for a bit. I'll see you again soon in the next part of the video.